Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Shelly Home Design. In today's episode, we are going to build a renter-friendly faux wall in this area right here. This is my new bedroom. I just moved in here, and this used to be a loft, so there's a hole here, and I don't really like that, so we are going to cover it up. So first, what I'm going to do is measure all of the areas. Now, as this house is older, it may not be plumb, so I'm going to measure in multiple spots, and this is what I got. Now, I purchased some of this styrofoam insulation from my local home improvement store, and that's what I'm going to use to build this wall for you today. So I take my measurements and I measure everything out and draw lines, and then I am going to cut through all of this foam using a box cutter, and I'm going to make sure that I do not cut the floor underneath by adding some more foam underneath it while I cut. And then I'm ripping off the coating on the outside of it. That's because paint doesn't stick very well to this coating. Then of course I tape this piece together, and then I go through and I paint everything with a paint roller. And now I am preparing the area for this board that I am going to put into place, and I have actually covered up the rock garden that was down there with more foam that was extra. Now, I originally tried taping this, but it didn't work. So I then go through and I use push pins or thumbtacks to secure everything in place. I do all around the perimeter on the inside and on the outside, wedging the board in place. And then I painted over the tape that I put on top of the thumbtacks. Now we have essentially a finished faux wall. It looks very believable, but let's make it just a little bit prettier because I don't really want just a plain wall. So I have this painting that I made a while ago, and my boyfriend is going to help me put it up. And now that the painting is up, I got some artificial turf from my home improvement store that is nearby to where I live. And I just kind of laid that down, and then I put some little stepping stones. They're actually tiles. And then I blow dried everything to kind of fluff it up. Now I am taking 4 yardsticks and a bunch of paint stirrers from my local home improvement store, and I'm making like a wooden trellis type thing to go over the wall, and I'm going to be putting vines on this later on. I went ahead and I painted it the same color that I painted the faux wall. Now that that is done, my boyfriend is once again helping me install the wooden trellis, and then I kind of went a little bit crazy with the vines. And now for the finished product. This is how it turned out. I added a few potted plants there, and I think that this just looks so beautiful. Here is the before, and here is the after. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it, and I'm really excited to put some more renter-friendly videos out for you in the future. If you like this video, please consider liking it, and if you like me, please consider subscribing. It really does mean everything to me. You have a wonderful day, and I'm going to have a great day myself. Bye.